Hi boys and girls, it's time for us to work on math today. You should be starting Chapter 9, Measurement, and the first lesson, 9.1, is about comparing lengths. So I looked around my house to find some things that we could compare. I took some straws and I cut them apart. Now I have 3 straws here. Now I want to put them in order from shortest to longest. So I can do that standing up, or I could do that on the side. I'm going to turn them on the side here. And you can see I want them all to start at the same end of my hand. If I had one over here and this one over here, they're not comparing very well because they need to be lined up. When you measure, it's very important that you start your measurements at the same end and line things up. So let's go ahead and line up my straws now from shortest to longest. And you can see my red one on the top is shortest, then my yellow one, and my blue one. If I wanted to go longest to shortest, I could just flip these over. Now my blue one is the longest, my yellow one's in the middle, and my red is the shortest. I looked in my kitchen and I found some spatulas that were different lengths, and I can line those up too. So here's my purple one is my longest. I line up the blue ones next, and my green one is my shortest. I've gone shortest to longest, or if I wanted to stand them up, you could see it by height, shortest to tallest, or we can do it the opposite way and do longest to shortest. So I'm going to put the longest at the top, which is purple, and see I'm lining them up on the end, my blue in the middle, and my green will be on the bottom. And you can see I have to get all their ends matching up on the side. So now I'm going longest to shortest, or I could go tallest to shortest if I stand them up starting in the same place. I also found some pins I could do this with. And you can see, I can even stand them up together here. And you can see shortest to longest or longest to shortest. And you'll be doing some drawing, so let me just give you a couple examples. Remember, I want the same starting point. So I'm going to make a line going down like this. On your paper, you'll have that line, and whenever you start to draw, start on that edge line. So if I'm drawing 3 crayons, shortest to longest, I would start, remember, on that edge and gradually make each one longer. And then I have 3 crayons, shortest to longest. Remember, I have to start them on the edge. Let's do one more example. Clean our board off here. This time, we want to draw 3 arrows, longest to shortest. So now I start with the longest at the top, a little shorter, and then the shortest. And again, they all had to start on that same edge. Good luck as you work on lesson 9.1 today.